A art of model building is one that can be shared with others. In a time period crammed full of modern technology, the hands-on hobby of building model cars or other vehicles and buildings is one that can bring people together. This is a great hobby to enjoy with your grandchildren. You can build your projects together, straightening your relationship and teaching them the reward of good teamwork. Spending time with loved ones helps to combat any feelings of loneliness that you may be experiencing, which again is very important for your well-being. The feeling you have once you have finished your latest project will be one that's quite unbeatable. The sense of achievement and being proud of yourself as you look upon your completed model is a great feeling. It's important to feel this way no matter how old you are. Model building is no easy task, which means the further you go into the hobby, the more skills you will learn and master. Putting together your favorite sports car or airplane is going to take time, and there are a number of stages you will need to go through on your journey. Each stage will require a different skill set. It's exciting to learn new things, especially for older people. Keeping your brain active and challenged is important, as it can lower your risk of dementia at a later stage of your life. You will also feel very proud as you master a new aspect of model building, and a smile will most definitely be on your face. From RC cars to planes, trains, ships, bikes, and pop culture icons such as the Millennium Falcon, there are a variety of different scale model projects to cover all of your interests. But why do people choose to build scale models in the first place, and what are the benefits you get out of committing your time and energy to this age-old hobby? As most builders can attest, there are certain areas of this process that they are stronger at than others, but the joy of scale model making is that you can become multi-skilled the more you build and the more you learn from each project. For most of us, stress is an unavoidable aspect of our everyday lives. Our hobbies and interests, such as watching your favorite sports teams and movies, catching up for a drink or a meal with friends, or going for a stroll in the early hours of the morning, offer an outlet for that stress. If you are more of an introvert or simply have a quieter disposition, then scale modeling is a hobby that is tailor-made to relieve your stresses. A couple of hours spent piecing together or painting your model can clear your mind of the problems of the world and leave you in a calmer state than when you began. Thanks for watching. Until next time.